Hi there, it's Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors. Our team is dedicated to serving our customers with honesty, quality work, and genuine care. That's why we're excited to introduce our Gold Standard Protection Plan, a completely free annual checkup to help your home stay beautiful and problem-free for years. Here's what you can expect. Once a year, we'll stop by to carefully inspect all of the products we've installed, like roofing, windows, gutters, and doors. While there, we'll also check up on the rest of your exterior to let you know how everything else is looking. If we see anything that potentially needs attention, we'll let you know so you can plan for the future. By catching minor issues early, we help you avoid larger problems down the road. Plus, regular inspections ensure everything lasts for years to come. At Integrity Home Exteriors, we're proud to offer peace of mind and continued care because your trust truly means everything to us. If you're interested in scheduling your free annual inspection or just have questions, give us a call. We're here to help you build better.